Hello, knife guys, and this is Knife Detector again, making my third video this weekend, I think, and this is my second video today. And I just couldn't not make this video, guys. I made a video earlier, it's only gotten like 6 views, but in that video, I mentioned that I was going to sell a few knives because I got another knife at the flea market. Went to the flea market today, met a wonderful gentleman. He's a winter Texan. He seasonally visits us once a year, and he brings wonderful things, wonderful collector's items, and he sells them here to subsidize his stay here, to get away from the harsh winters of up north. Because we do have very mellow winters here in South Texas. And I find this guy, a vintage paratrooper knife, and I'm not ashamed to say I paid 25 bucks for this knife, guys, which I think is a fantastic deal. I've always been curious about these knives. I mean, really, look at this, guys. Look at this knife. This knife is sexy, dudes. Look at this. It's in the locked position. This lever keeps it locked so that when you have it in your pants, you don't circumcise yourself when you do this by accident. Blade pops out just like so, and very sharp. All this needed was a little bit of a honing. So we're going to press that in, close it, and then just like that. Spring is pretty good on this knife. Wanted to show you that knife because I came across it and I just got so excited I felt like I had to snap this up. Funny story, I only had so much cash in my wallet and I needed to pay a phone repair business because both mine and my wife's phone screens got shattered in the same day. Mine because I bumped it into the car and shattered it as I was getting in. Hers because it fell off the table and just shattered when it hit the ground. And that's because they both had phone protectors. And one happened in the morning and one happened in the evening. So it was really weird. And I had so much money in my pocket. And then I saw this guy. I'm like, I have to have this guy. And so I went back and I said, well, how much was it going to be? And guys, I had $1 to spare. So I was able to pay for the phone repair and I was able to get this guy right here. So I'm really stoked about that. Now you press the button and you go ahead and you close it. And the other feature that it has is it has this little hook knife here. It's kind of sharp in there. You can use that, I believe, to cut rope, whatever you need to cut right there, fabric, rope. It's a wonderful tool. I expect I'm going to be carrying this quite a bit. I like it very much. And very happy that I was able to find that knife right there. And I wanted to share that with you guys. I couldn't wait. This is going to be a short video only because I had to show you the reason that I went ahead and I put a few things up for sale on Etsy. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and end this video. I'm going to make another video because guess what, guys? I got the house all to myself and my wife and daughter are out doing girl stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and make another quick video of another pocket knife I snapped up recently. So until then, this is Knife Detector saying, stay sharp, guys. And in case you don't notice, this is a separate video that I had to splice onto this video because I ended it too abruptly without showing you that this knife is a Schrade Walden. Schrade Walden USA Paratrooper knife. I wanted to show that to you guys because I forgot to say what kind of knife it was. I was so excited when I made this video. So this is the conclusion of the video. And you guys have a blessed weekend and a blessed evening. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and stay sharp, guys.